So we have an example problem here. A pressure gauge 6 meters above the bottom of the tank containing a liquid reads 90 kilopascal. Another gauge height of 4 meters reads 103 kilopascal. Determine the specific weight of the liquid. So in order for us to solve these guys, we need to draw muna, no? I-draw muna natin yung para mas maintindihan natin yung problem. So let's say we have a tank. May tank daw tayo. Yan. Okay na yan. So we have a pressure gauge daw 6 meter above the bottom. So from the bottom we have a height of 6 meters. Tapos may reading siya. Let's say reading niya is 90 kilopascal. So pagpasensyahan nyo na yung drawing guys ha. I mean yung writing ko since I'm just using mouse lang. So we have a height of 6 meters. Yan. Then we have another gauge na may reading na 103 kilopascal. From the bottom, may height na 4 meters daw. So let's say probably mga around dito. Yan. So may 103 daw na reading. Ayan, kilopascal. Kilopascal. Yan. So height niya is 4 meters. Determine the specific weight of the liquid. So yung gagamitin nating formula dito is just yung change in pressure lang is equals to gamma H, wherein yung change in pressure can be written as P2 minus P1, or pressure 2 minus pressure 1 is equals to gamma H, wherein yung specific weight is itong gamma na to. So yan yung specific weight, yan yung hinahanap. To get this specific weight, tatanggalin lang natin yung height dito by dividing both sides by H. Yan. Para ma-cancel yan, matitira si specific weight. Yung specific weight is equals to pressure 2 minus pressure 1 is equals to over height. So ayan. Then direct substitution na lang tayo, no? So is equals to, yung pressure 2 natin is 103. Naka kilopascal yan sila, minus 90. So wag natin kalimutan yung unit. So since minus lang naman yan, so both kilopascal can be written as kilonewton per meter squared. Ayan. Over height, wherein yung height dito guys is yung between height ng pressure 2 at saka ng pressure 1, which is eto siya. So para makuha natin itong height na to, itong portion na height na to, ang gagawin lang natin is ma-minus lang natin yung 6, yung total na height na yan, minus 4 sa baba. Yan. So makukuha natin yung 2 meters. So yan yung gagamitin nating height dito, 2 meters. Ayan. So now eto yung magiging unit natin, multiply lang natin yung meters times meter squared, magiging meter cube. So yung magiging unit natin is kilonewton per cubic meter. So that will be our unit. So to solve this, subtract muna natin 103 minus 90 equals, tapos i-divide by 2. Ayan. So lalabas, kapag ganito lalabas guys, all you need to do is to click this one, yung third to decimal. So magiging 6.5 siya. So that would be our final answer. Ayan.